say where we're at?
Yeah.
No, you can cut that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are in Island View, Dinagat Islands. So, what can you say about that island?
Which island? Oh,
That
that's
one.
the Landman.
Laying
Landman
man.
Island? Landman?
Lalaking bukid lang na sa amo,
Like he's
guys.
laying on his back. And it really looks like it. Then there's one that's a laying lady on her back, but we can't see that one.
Yeah, we cannot see the laying lady.
Laying lady, yeah. It's nice here. Nice on the rooftop. Got a nice soft breeze, and yeah, the internet works pretty well up here, so enjoyable, very enjoyable stay so far. Yeah. Yes, love. Yes, they're doing the laundry here. They're drying the towels up here.
And what are you doing?
I am looking at some investments. Yes, looking at some investments, doing some research and studying.
Investments for the future?
Yes. For the future. Investments for the future. Yes. Wish me luck. Wish us luck. Wish us luck, I should say.
Yeah.
Wish us luck. Let the money make money. Yeah.
Money, money, money.
Money, 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 money. Let the money make money.
Yeah. So, money is different from money.
What's money?
Money in the boat.
Oh yeah, money is peanuts, right?
Yeah, money.
Peanuts, not
Money,
something
money, money.
else. Money is P-A-N-U-T-S, peanuts.
Yeah, so money
Yes,
is
yeah,
different
yeah.
from money. Money, money.
Money and money. That's what the guy was saying on the ferry when we were coming from Sugar City. Yes, love.
Money, money.
Money. Whoops, these gnats really like us. Yes, love.
The nuts likes you.
They like you too. Gnats, K-N-A-T-S, the gnats.
The nut.
I haven't seen many mosquitoes, but the gnats, I don't know if they can carry any diseases as well. I'm not sure. That I don't know. But, your tongue is so pretty. It's good color now.
It's raining again, love.
It's raining again. Oh no, it's raining again.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Your time. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the
Big-
gnats are less
Bring the key.
in the hotel room.
We're going back to the room.
Some steep stairs.
Yeah.
The living room, the red chairs.
Yeah.
The living room. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out there too. Very comfy chairs.
So, this is the living room here, la.
The living room.
Here in the island view. The living room. Christmas na. And there are many rooms here. And this is a room 303.
No?
Hi.
Hello.
Nagkagubot. So, you have to make a room tour, love.
So,
Introduce our room.
this is our room.
Yeah.
Very nice. We changed. We had a different room, but this one's better because it's quieter. Doesn't have as much motorcycle noise.
Yes.
And we have a beautiful view. Supposedly, this is the
Okay.
best room in the
Island view.
in the hotel. Yeah.
Yeah. Hindi mo mga abubot.
Oh, the aircon's off.
This is our
Popping in the
window.
drama. See if the aircon's open.
Yeah. The aircon.
No.
Wait,
No,
we have to on this one.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay.
A little brown out, I guess. Blackout, brown out.
This is the window, the door. Near view. Oh.
Senorita.
Senorita. Eureka. So this is also
Senorita.
busy ra gyapon siya ay. Gagamit the grapes and everything. Mga pagkaon. So this is the CR. You know that tissue is life sa farm. The shower, the hot and cold, and our favorite bidet. So this is the lavatory. So that's all, guys. Bye bye.